Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by choosing a beer with moderate bitterness like a 12 Oz Pilsner or Amber to complement cheese. Soften 8 Oz cream cheese at room temperature and measure 1 cup shredded sharp cheddar. In a mixing bowl, whisk 2 tablespoons Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon Worcestershire sauce, and 1/2 teaspoons smoked paprika. Season lightly with 1/4 teaspoon black pepper and 1/2 teaspoons salt. If the mixture seems thick, thin with up to 3/4 cup reduced sodium chicken stock or beer, 1 tablespoon at a time, until spreadable. Melt 1 tablespoon unsalted butter in a saucepan over medium heat and sauté 1 small diced yellow onion until translucent, about 5 minutes. Add 2 minced garlic cloves for 1 minute. Sprinkle in 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour and cook for 60 seconds to remove the raw flour taste, stirring constantly. Gradually whisk in the remaining 12 Oz beer and simmer for 2 to 3 minutes until slightly reduced. Stir this beer into the cream cheese and cheddar base until fully combined and smooth, adjusting thickness with up to 1/4 cup milk if needed. Transfer the blended dip into a 9-inch oven-proof baking dish, smoothing the top. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F and bake for 18 to 22 minutes until the edges bubble and the surface turns lightly golden. Broil 1 to 2 minutes if you want more color. Remove and let rest 5 minutes, then garnish with 2 tablespoons chopped chives and optional 1 tablespoon chopped crispy bacon. Serve warm with soft pretzels, kettle chips, or toasted baguette slices. Store refrigerated up to 4 days or freeze up to 2 months in a sealed container.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.